guys already know what time it is. Simmies! Here's the amateur over here. I mean, it is shocking what she's doing right now. I've got to just change a few things around for you. What? Why is there a bedroom outside? Oh my god. Ultimate red flag.
So this is our garlic pasta. Don't judge a book by its cover. It's not a nice thing to do.
So Annie's left us to go FaceTime her boyfriend. So it's just me. Okay, it looks like I'm watching porn, but I'm not. I'm actually watching Emily in Paris. Vibes. Miss you, Annie. Oh my god. I miss you. Wanted to say a huge thank you to all our new fans. You are seen and heard and we love you. Comment below for shout outs because we are going to do them for a very cheap price. For working from home, today has been particularly productive. I showered, did a couple laps of the flat. Mads is home. Oh, what are you doing to your baguette? I'm trying to tear up my mouth couldn't do it because my wisdom teeth hurt.
So we're going to be filming the TikTok salmon recipe
with a special twist.
Lovely macaroni, you better watch out. I'm scared.
Yeah, me too.
Stay tuned. You're doing great.
Bang.
Step 1, cook the little salmon.
Fell in love. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing right now.
What now? Sweets.
I always fuck up rice.
Okay.
Oh! Jesus!
Have a sweet. Cooking with Mads.
You're looking beautiful.
Thanks.
Sweeter.
That is so hot. Why is that so hot?
You look like Audrey Hepburn
With a side of
a Frida Kahlo. I never get spots and then I move here and she gives me them. So
yeah. So that's
next person to subscribe gets
spots.
a shout. I was going to say shout out, but no, you get spots.
I've already told them that shout outs aren't free, but they are affordable.
Sugar daddies most welcome.
Yeah.
Actively encouraged.
You heard it here first.
Get the fuck away from my spots. One's called Patrick.
Yeah.
And the other one's called
Pete. Patrick Pete. Don't get it twisted.
Fabulous.
How do you pronounce this, guys?
Wait.
Below.
Oh, now it's in focus.
Whoever gets it right.
What, the one vierge?
A wheel. Oh shit, I gave it away. Fuck. A wheel to leave, guys. Don't forget it. Bit of a wheel for you and a bit of wheel for you. Anyway, that's me done for the day.
Outfit change. See you in a second. Oh, it's not really in focus. It's not in focus at all. It's not in focus. Okay, now it's in focus. Let me just. What is that?
It's
a reindeer?
Mermaid, you fucking bitch.
Oh, it's a mermaid.
Watch closely, guys. This is not something easy to do. It's not this fucking sick. Just
called the one.
Now guys, which one's Patrick, which one's Pete? Comment below.
I get a bit confused with rice.
We've got no fucking forks! What are we gonna do with no fucking forks?
Oh, we're gonna. Cheers!
Emily Macaroni is shaking right now.
She is quaking in her boots.
Do a heart.
I was gonna go like that. Should I do a heart?
Do a heart.
Hi, yeah. Oh!
Right guys, vote in the comments. Is this a heart?
Okay, I'm mixing this shit up. This looks like something I gave my cat. Smells like something I gave.
Oh my god, yeah.
The first one's hard and two, but second time.
We have no seaweed, but it's because one agrees the French is fucking weird. So.
Gonna do an initial taste test. It's actually really nice, guys. Don't worry.
This isn't like. I got the presentation, guys. Oh.
Bon appetit.
Is there any way we can like pretend? Oh.
Boop. So, how'd you rate this?
I'd give it like an 8, maybe 7, 8 out of 10.
That's pretty good.
7.5, I'd say.
Development on Made in Chelsea. We're downloading a VPN. Stay tuned.